YT tutorials. Today I have somebody new coming. I wonder who that will be. Where is he? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, hi Kusan. Hi. Today Kusan is going to be a member of the YT tutorials. Sometimes he might not be there, but sometimes he might be there. It all depends on how it just goes. Well, are you ready, Kusan? Let's go to the laptop and learn how to add subtitles. Now, as you can see, this is my channel page. So let's go. So you can see over here. Okay, now let's go down, 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 down. Let's find a way to up. Episode 6. Yeah, find the subtitles. And remember, if you want subtitle when your latest video comes in, so go to here, upload defaults, advanced settings. So when you change this, your latest video will start having these subtitles. Now add language, English, because this is English, and you can add whatever you want. But for now, we cannot go too fast in our way, so let's just find a song or video that has it. You might see the subtitles going a bit fast or the song playing a bit fast, but please try it to see this. I don't think this will be good, but try. This is how fast version looks like. Normal version, slow version. You can change the speed over here. You can change it over here. Here you go. There we go. How did you guys like it? I know it's a bit fast and slow, but it's okay. Now let's go to one video. What video can we go? Oh yeah, we can go to the Home Awards episode 6. Subtitles. Subtitle. Let's scroll a bit faster. There we go. English subtitles. Okay, add a subtitle. So if you want, you can upload a file that has it with timings, or if you don't have any timings, YouTube will sync your subtitles to the video's audio. The processing might take a while, but only TXT files are allowed. You can auto sync, enter the words that are spoken, and YouTube will try to think where is it coming from. Let's try this. I this chorus of his song. How can you do this to my life? Like a song of his new latest song. Sometimes it'll not work, but you can move it Please save my life like this. Well, let's see how it is. And you can also delete these things. Or you can edit timings. This is what I I like to use. And I want you to also try to use these. So if you're on a computer, the screen will be shown so that you can know where it's played. So now now let's check an other video that has subtitles so that it'll be much easier to again see. Okay, let's see. this is how captions would really look like if you see. And now let's check on the video. Now I like to say bye bye and subscribe and like. If you want to see the YT tutorials, here it is. If you want to subscribe to our channel, here you go. For now, bye and see you later on YouTube tutorials.